Shoulder-length hair is the ideal length for women who do not have enough time to handle her hair. It's easy to manage and style. Here, I'd like to advise 10 most popular hairstyles for shoulder-length hair. 1. The slight side parting. Blunt shoulder-length hair with a slight side parting can help soften a square or rectangle-shaped faces. 2. The center parting. With carefully placed layers and a sharp center part, the hair looks great at this length. 3. Turned-in hair. The curled-in ends streamline your jawline and make it look sharper. This hairstyle works wonders on shoulder-length hair. 4. J-law waves. If you have thick straight hair, this is definitely the hairstyle to amp it up. 5. The new slick back look. The slicked back hairdo can be achieved with the help of some styling gel and a side parting. 6. Full curls. If you have curly hair, apply some curl-defining cream on damp hair and allow it to air dry. 7. The chic bob. Take this chic look, for example. The feathered bangs draw attention to her eyes, while her dark locks focus on her nude pink lip color. Her entire hairstyle works towards accentuating her diamond-shaped face. 8. The blunt long bob. This hairstyle is perfect for square face shapes. 9. Dual-toned hair. Color can make your hair look full and bouncy. However, stick to one tone when using two different colors. Here, both colors are in a pastel pink tone that works well on both warm and cool skin tones. 10. The Edgy Gradual Lob. This shoulder-length hairstyle has "Rebel" written all over it. The length in the front softens the facial shape and gives a lateral focus to it. Looking for more beautiful hairstyles? Leave a comment.